Stonechats are small passerine birds seen in Old World. Males have black head, side of their neck is white, orange breast patch starting just below the throat, and brown back. Females have brown head, brown back, and orange chest. They are called Stonechat as their call sounds like as if two stones are tapped together. There are 7 types of Stonechats seen in the world. Fuerteventura Stonechat seen in Canary Islands. European Stonechat is widely seen in Europe and also in Western Asia and Africa. It has the highest population among all Stonechats. Siberian Stonechat is the second most prevalent species. As the name implies, in winter it migrates from Siberia and other parts of Russia and similar cold areas in north to warmer south, and you get to see it in large numbers in most parts of India. Amun Stonechat is seen in Southeastern Asian countries and United Kingdom region. In India, we get to see it in Andaman Islands. Hearing it might be merged with Siberian Stonechat as a subspecies. African Stonechat, as name implies, seen in Africa, especially in the southern parts. Reunion Stonechat is another bird with limited population and endemic to Reunion Island near Madagascar. And finally, the topic of this video, White-tailed Stonechat, Saxicola leucurus, which is seen in selected areas in northern India, Indus Valley area of Pakistan, South Nepal, Bangladesh and Myanmar. All the Stonechats belong to Saxicola genus, which is also shared by bushchats, which to me looks duller and different than Stonechat, but some like white-throated or Hodgson's bushchat looks very similar. Let's spend a minute observing the bird up close. If you want to know how to differentiate with the much more widespread Siberian Stonechat, watch the video till the end. I saw it first in Dipru-Saikia National Park in Assam in January 2021 after hour-long search. It is seen in tall grass habitat in the islands and surrounding habitat on Brahmaputra river. There is no subspecies of this bird, but South Assam birds look a bit different than the rest. A year before, I tried in Okla Bird Sanctuary in Delhi, but didn't find it. When I went to Bhagalpur, this was a top target and we were not disappointed. I must say, if this is your target species, then go to Bhagalpur. It is a sure shot there. It is seen in this habitat where grass, bush and other vegetation grew on the Gangetic floodplains. What you see here is from Sonwarsa Ghatora hotspot, but it is seen in other places in Bhagalpur also. It breeds there and is seen year round. I have requested Mrinal Kaushik, our guide, to continue checking this bird during breeding season so that we can get to know more about them. As we approach the hotspot, we are greeted by a female white-tailed Stonechat on an open perch, giving a very nice portrait view. As we were photographing the bird, a male came on a nearby bush, but it was showing its back only. Soon, it came to a close-by bush and gave a sideways view, but it was partly obstructed by the vegetation. Finally, it came on an open branch and we could photograph it properly. We could confirm the idea as white-tailed Stonechat through its call and other features. Soon, the female bird was back, but this time with nesting material. We went there in mid-February and it was clear that it was planning the nest creation and eventual breeding. I must say, the view of the bird in midst of yellow flowers was fantastic from photography standpoint. But we wanted a shot with clear green background and it sat on a perch to give us that shot. Then the male and female did some play acting, or who knows, it was courtship display. Want to play this once more in slow motion for reference of the viewer. Then the male perched on a bamboo pole to give the green background shot. It came coming back to the same place. It was calling from time to time. The best way to ID the bird was to see the white feathers that show up when it flares the tail. We were in perfect position and I was recording the video, but the bird did not flare for once. However, it gave us some show by continuous calls from the open perch, which you hope can hear. From identification standpoint, I must say the white-tailed Stonechat male appears very similar to Siberian Stonechat. Pamela Rasmussen, in her Fantastic 2 set book, provided many pointers around tail, rump and underparts. But I must say in field, it is tough to remember all that and differentiate. However, one distinct pointer is large white slots in tails. When the tail is folded, it is completely black, but when it is flared, distinct white inner waves are clearly visible. I couldn't get this shot in my trip and hence leveraging a video shared by Mrinal for your reference. Repeated the flare in slow motion so that viewer can carefully observe it. The females are brownish and appears much paler than Siberian. Calls are similar to my ears, but if you listen carefully you can differentiate. The sound from when seen in computer were clearly different. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification for future videos. If you want to watch similar bird videos, please check the playlist Bird Focus in my YouTube channel. I plan to post several videos covering other birds and birding hotspots of Bhagalpur, so check out the Bhagalpur playlist for that. Thanks for watching.